How can we encourage students to discuss their cultures while practicing English? In the activity 1000-word pictures, students use English vocabulary and grammar while comparing cultures. This activity is meant for advanced beginners, but can also be adapted for higher levels. To do this activity, you need an interesting and culture-rich photo, paper, and pencils or pens. Optionally, you can also use a projection device. Before class, choose a complex photo of a real-life scene. Students should be able to compare what is in the picture to aspects of their own culture. To start the activity in class, review vocabulary and grammar that students will need to write about the picture. Next, display the picture on a screen or hand out paper copies to small groups of students. Then, ask for volunteers to share observations about the picture. Do they think anything is interesting or different from their own culture? After a discussion, write one example sentence about the picture on the board. And then ask students to write 3 sentences about what they think is unusual, interesting, or different from their own culture in the picture. After the students have written some sentences, ask some students to write their sentences on the board. And then ask the class which sentences show a difference with their culture and which show a similarity. Add to the sentences accordingly. For example, in the picture, there is a slide in the room, but in our community, slides are usually at parks. The students should then follow the example to add to their own sentences. Finally, ask the students to share their new sentences with a partner, and then discuss the cultural differences and similarities they noticed in the picture as a class. Why might these differences and similarities exist? What activities do you use to encourage students to talk about their cultures? This is American English. Thank you for watching.